Good morning, everybody. Today I am going to discuss the CPC. What does CPC mean? CPC means cost per click, right? If you are a video creator, then you have to have knowledge on CPC. If your CPC is high, then your income level will be high, right? So many YouTuber think that if they blow lower CPC ad network, then they will get higher CPC ad. But this concept is totally wrong. The right thing is that video creator cannot control the CPC, right? So in natural way, Google will give the highest CPC ad to your video, right? So as you know that Google wants to take 45% from the ad revenue, right? And you will get 55% ad revenue, right? Usually when advertiser advertisers bid on a specific keyword, then Google will Google will show the ad of that advertiser who wants to pay higher CPC, right? Or higher bid. So don't worry, CPC, if you work properly, CPC will increase automatically. So don't think of these things. Many YouTubers are confused whether she or he will run a YouTube channel with high CPC niche. But this concept is not correct, because if you are not interested in a topic, how can you continue to make content? After certain time, you will be frustrated and you will leave the YouTube, or you will stop your career as video creator. So my advice to you is that just work on the niche or topic on which you are interested. If you do this, then you will be able to create content for the long time. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.